Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Analytics into your WordPress website. So now we'll be tracking people through Google Analytics as well. So how do you do that? Again, you need a plugin that allows you to install tracking pixels. The one I used on this website is called PixelYourSite. So the way you install it is you go to your plugins area and then you click on Add New. So in my case, I already have the plugin, but in case you don't have it, yeah, you could just do it the way you'd normally install a new plugin. That's the one. So again, I already have it installed, so that's why I can't install, but the installation button is top right. Once you install it and activate it, you need to go to the area where your PixelYourSite is, and then you scroll all the way to the area where you can insert your Google Analytics tracking ID. So how do you get that tracking ID? Easy. Let's go to Google Analytics. Then you go to the admin area, and then you select the property that you want to use as a tracking property for your website. In my case, I'll just use this one because it's tutorial, it doesn't really matter. And the tracking ID is basically over here, and this is where your website is. So you click on this, double click on the tracking ID, then you go back to your WordPress website, and then you insert the tracking ID into this field. Once you click on Save Settings, the WordPress website starts tracking every web visitor through Google Analytics.